Alright, let's do another potato dish. Tonight we're going to make INSTA-MASH. So what I have here is about 1.5 pounds of russet potatoes. I'd say that's around 5 or 6 medium-sized potatoes. 1 bay leaf. I didn't have bay leaves, so I just sprinkled in some dried basil. 1 rosemary sprig, and a teaspoon of salt. So we want to bring this to a boil over high heat, then reduce the heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are tender. So drain the water and remove the bay leaf and the rosemary sprig and set the potatoes aside. Place the pot back on the stove over low heat and add a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Let that melt a little bit. Add the potatoes again and mash it all until it's smooth. Add 1/2 cup of crumbled blue cheese and some parsley, salt and pepper to taste, and there you go, our INSTA-MASH. Whoa, that blue cheese is like sharp cheddar times 2. Tastes really good. The dried basil made a good substitute for the bay leaf. A hint of the rosemary coming through as well. By the way, you can leave the rosemary leaves in, just discard the stem. Not much else to say, it's mashed potatoes. Great, easy comfort food.